Namaskar to all. Today we'll talk about ourselves. Every time we talk about different things through which we can improve ourselves, or if there is a problem, then how can we solve the problem, or how can we move ahead in life, or how can we live a better life. It's always about us. So now the most important thing is who are we? What actually are we? I believe many of you know the answer, but still I want to clear this in a different way. I believe that this is not the first video which you are watching, because in the previous video I have talked about already soul. So at first, our true self is a soul, a point of light who resides in the middle of the forehead 2.5 inches inside, in the here, from here 2.5 inches inside. So we are soul, we are a point of light. That is our true identity. And but a soul, a point of light, cannot do anything. Anything means cannot even think. It cannot do anything. It needs a body to think even, or to do any kind of work. Okay, so a soul take energy bodies. Many energy bodies are there which a soul take, and finally a soul take a physical body in order to play a role in this corporeal world. So we actually, you can also say that we or human are a pack of energy body and physical body and soul. So we do have a different kind of energy bodies, as I was saying. So after mixing all these energy bodies into this physical body, a soul work. Okay, now we are thinking, now we are doing something, now maybe we are executing our work. All this thing happening in this physical world, we work with the physical body. In the energy world, we work with the energy body. But we, the soul, we cannot do anything without these physical and energy body. Now this is the most important thing which we need to understand, because it happens that every time when we talk about us, every time when we talk about we, so in order to elevate ourselves, in order to bring ourselves into positivity, or in order to make ourselves better than before, we have to understand our true self. And that's the reason why I'm telling you all this, because we have to understand, okay, now we are not the physical body, we are not the energy body, but of course we are the soul. So what we have to do in order to balance yourself, in order to improve or move ahead in life, we have to work in all these different kind of bodies, and of course on your true self. So there are many people who work a lot, who do lots of workout. So working out for physical body is very good. If you are into gym, if you are into any kind of physical activity, or maybe asanas, or breathing exercise, which are very good. So if you are doing these things, then actually you are working on your physical body. Not only this, you are working on your energy body also. Now the question is, if you have ever heard, if you know that if you do workout or if you do physical activity, you will feel good. If you don't do these things, then there's a high chance to fall sick. So people do these things, but unfortunately people they don't do anything for their true self, which is a soul. So every time try to try to feel yourself as a soul, and try to take out a couple of minutes in a day where you can feel your true self, where you can be with yourself, as in you are a point of light, so that you will have at least that awareness that you are a point of light, you are a soul. That is your true identity. Apart from this, you do have many or several energy bodies, and then a physical body with which you are playing role, with which you are executing, or you're doing work, or you are fulfilling your purpose. We'll talk more about this. That's it for today. Thank you.